Lila's learning to sit up today. She's also doing fair amount of ground. Look at you. You are so strong. I think you've really mastered it. Oh, he's trying to lean forward a little bit. You are so strong. Is it straining? Look at you. You're just completely sitting up. Barely any help at all. I think we could probably even take those pillows away. Not yet. Oh, big stretch. Are you able to push yourself back up? Oh, look at that. Let's see what you can do. Do you need some help? Need a little bit of help?